This is Gaza Hotel.
Yeah,
Good morning.
good morning.
I want to make a reservation for this weekend.
This weekend?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's open this weekend?
Yeah.
Okay. How much it's cost to a couple?
Couple room 180
Dollar?
dollar, yeah.
Okay. And which board? Half board?
What?
Half board?
Half hour?
Breakfast and dinner?
The meal is $30.
Okay. And I want to order 20 rooms.
20?
Yeah. We from organization Akesh Bagag. You know this?
Organization what?
Akesh Bagag.
Cash bagag?
Yeah. Before we come, we tell you, we send you a little present, and after 1 minute, we send you a big present. תעלה לפלוגה!